This top is definitely crusty and old, so it's for sure time for a new one. We're gonna go ahead and peel back that Velcro, and we can have the first knuckle right here that we're gonna go ahead and unclip, and then we're going to keep peeling it right on off. Then we're gonna run into the third knuckle that we're gonna go ahead and take apart. And now we're gonna keep peeling that Velcro back, and we're gonna run into the last knuckle, unclip the final knuckle, and boom, the two pieces are apart. Let's go ahead and take out our new top. So now let's go ahead and attach her to our wig. We're gonna go ahead and apply it to the first knuckle. Then we're gonna attach the Velcro all the way around. Now that we're at the middle knuckle, we're gonna go ahead and attach it and continue pushing that Velcro piece together. Now that we're at the final knuckle, we're gonna go ahead and attach it and then close that last piece of Velcro. And now we have our new top fully attached to our wig with that added spice and color, y'all. Now let's go ahead and put her on. Now that this wig is all on my head, let's go ahead and style her up. She is finally styled. And like I said, this unit is completely glueless, coming to you pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. And I know a lot of y'all was wondering, how secure is she? So I'm gonna go ahead and do a shake test for y'all. Y'all know I gotta give y'all all the deets, and she ain't go nowhere. Curls still popping, still on my head. Honey, when I say secure, that's exactly what I mean. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and get you one of these.